Welcome back to Generation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith, and today I got Ipsy. We're doing back-to-back videos. You'll see us in the same clothes. I was telling Kim we've done so many videos and we haven't been posting them because our mom's been kind of ill, as we've mentioned in like all of our videos. So these, we could put them all up at once, but I just thought, you know, might as well just do one a day for a week or something. I really do like the bag.
Pretty.
I know sometimes I used to get some of these, so many of these bags. I'm talking way too quick. That I was like, what am I going to do with these bags? I don't need all these bags, but my daughter usually does something with them. If not, I can always give them to charity or somebody, and then they can hopefully use them as a mega bag. It says, get that glow. A new season is finally on the horizon. Let the excitement in the air spark new ideas like sunset lids or a megawatt highlighter, and bask in every light you find, ready to get glowing. The only thing is with this one, I think I have an idea of what I'm getting. Was not very happy with that. That's add-ons. And then, of course, inside the things that I'm getting. So, with that said, and I think they raised their price, too, to like, I think it's like $13 now. And you're supposed to get a choice in something. I can't remember. I don't think I did get a choice this time because I probably missed the one day you can do it. Wasn't paying attention. This is Space Case Cosmetics. I think this is an eyeshadow in Stargasm. I don't want to open it because it's going to go in a giveaway. I don't really use a lot of eye makeup most days, and so that can go in a giveaway. Then I've got, gosh, they're all like bubble wrapped. Be your, what does that say? Well, it's nail polish, just to say that, in Lilac Grove. That I want to kind of put in a giveaway too, if we can. If we do a US one, we could probably definitely ship it with in a giveaway, unless I decide to wear. But lately I've been putting on my fake nails, or I might go back to acrylics just because I feel like they're stronger than any nail I normally have.
I can see this on the card though. Where is?
You mean it's not one of the things?
Polish? Am I blind? Because those aren't polishes right there.
Maybe it was the extra thing. I don't know.
Oh, maybe.
And then they have Jeju in. I don't know if that's French. Aloe gel sleeping mask. If you can sleep with this, then that's cool. I like ones you can like go to bed with, so that I would probably keep. You know what I'm not seeing?
So I guess this doesn't
there's
tell
no
you your
highlighter, huh?
I guess this doesn't tell you your products you're getting. It's just saying what you would do to get a glow.
How
I
weird!
guess.
Oh, that is weird. My bad. I thought I was supposed to get like a highlighter though, because when I saw highlighter in the,
You sure that?
I thought in my email, but I could be totally wrong. Unless that's, I mean, that might be a highlighter.
That's
This is the eyeshadow.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah, it says eyeshadow.
And this is Gold Faden or Faden MD Problem Dry and Aging Skin Solution Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment. I think I did notice that they were giving me 2 overnight things, which I like overnight things, but I don't know why they're giving me like 2 of the same product basically. So I don't know. That was weird. And then lastly, I have Tarte's H2O Gloss. It's in Sail Away. Sail Away, Sail Away. Not that we have any rights to that song. This is pretty, but this will probably go in a giveaway unless, I mean, I don't know. If it was like a liquid lip, I would probably keep it just because I do like liquid lips, but it looks like it's a gloss.
Then
It would just smear all over me. But that was it. It's all empty. If this video was fast enough for you, as I said, this is around $13. Give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Know about our future giveaways, like one we're going to do here soon. Probably after all these videos that we're doing back-to-back I've posted. And we'll catch you in our next video.
take care.
Bye.